Do you want to connect make.com with ConvertBox? If yes, please watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to share how you can use ConvertBox and make.com together to send data anywhere. Maybe you have an email marketing software that doesn't integrate directly with ConvertBox and you want to transfer data there. Or else, if you're collecting course feedback or something like that through ConvertBox pop-ups or slide-ins, then you can definitely use make.com to transfer that feedback data into a sheet or Airtable or any other way place where you want to store that data. So please watch this. Let's dive in. So I'm right now inside my ConvertBox account. As you can see, I'm inside my ConvertBox account, and there is something called integrations here. You just need to click on this particular tab called integrations. Here you can find the list of integrations available. So if you are using some software that doesn't show up here, then obviously you need to use other methods to get that data out automatically via ConvertBox API because there is no integration with the platform, but you want to automate the process, right? So you can just you have to use something like make.com. Make.com is a data transfer tool that allows you to send data from one platform to another. So here in this case, we are going to use it to transfer the data to something called Airtable. So I already created Airtable is more similar to a spreadsheet. So we are just collecting the name, email ID, and feedback for a course from a ConvertBox slide in I have created. So as you can see, right now I'm just trying to create a ConvertBox. I'm just gonna create a new ConvertBox sliding pop-up. So as you can see, I can select the pop-up and I can just build it from scratch. If I'm not interested to select any template here. So I'm just gonna click on form. You need to look at the form because this is where the data comes in. I'm not going to cover the part of adding this form to your page or something because that is out of scope of for this video. This video is only about the part of transferring data from ConvertBox via meet.com. So as you can see, the moment I added form and I have clicked on form element, I will be able to see something called field settings, form settings. So as you can see, there is a tab called integrations. If you already connected any other integration, it should show up here, but we are assuming that the platform we are using is not directly integrated with ConvertBox. So the only option to transfer data is either through webhooks or send email notification. Webhooks is the preferred way because you can transfer the data directly from using make.com webhooks and then send it to any other platform here. Here in this case, I'm sending data to Airtable just to create a record. Uh, Record in the sense a kind of row in a sheet. So all you need to do is go inside make.com, create a new scenario and search for ConvertBox. Basically, you need to search for ConvertBox here. And now once you click on ConvertBox, click on this, you will be able to create a webhooks. So you can just create, but make sure to name it properly so that so just goes. So I'm just creating this, and once you click on save, you get something called webhook URL. As you can see, you just need to copy this address to clipboard and then paste it here. And now once you paste it here, you just need to click on add integration. That's it. So I already created another form here. As you can see, this is one which is already live here on my course portal. As you can see, I have a form here where I'm collecting student feedback. So as you can see, I have clicked on integration and I already added an integration to send data to webhook. Just like I've shown you earlier, there is a webhook here added here. And make sure to click on save after you do all that. And once that is inside, I'm here right now inside my other make scenario where I already created the ConvertBox and Airtable connections. I already created them. So as you can see, this is a form submitted. And now once the form gets submitted, there is a data that comes out here. So let's do this again. So I'm going to submit this form again outside my the one which I have shown in my post platform. So I'm going to show this. Let me refresh this. Yeah, as you can see, the form showed up here. I'm sharing post feedback here. So as you can see, I have already filled this data vertical got filled. So just copy down. So I have filled the data and I'm gonna click on send. So once I click on the send, the data comes into ConvertBox here. Let me show you that. I'm clicking on send. As you can see, the data came here. This tutorial is awesome. As you can see, the form that I submitted, the data came in here. Now, once the data comes out of ConvertBox, we just need to map the fields here. As you can see, you have to select it, whatever it is, whether it's first name or whatever that is coming out of ConvertBox, it shows up here. We just need to add the name, email ID, feedback. Maybe you want to collect the ConvertBox name or ConvertBox ID and all. You can definitely do that. I'm collecting only these three fields, which is name, email, and feedback. And now once this automation runs, again, let's resubmit this form again. Let's go back here. Say final seat. So I'm submitting this feedback, and now it should go automatically to my Airtable base. As you can see, there is a row appeared here. So this is how we integrate ConvertBox API, which make.com, and then use webhooks method to transfer data from ConvertBox to Airtable here. But you can, if you want to use a spreadsheet, you can just use Google Sheets or any other app where you want to send data. But here in this purpose, I'm using Airtable to store my form submission data. I mean, the ones coming from ConvertBox. So I already created that and sent the data to Airtable. So that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you find this useful. If you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.